Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Tixie from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your September love and work forecast for Leos. Yes, friends. If your sun sign, rising sign, moon sign is in Leo, this reading is for you. If you know a Leo, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, share. Magic Vents Tarot, friends, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com and join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. Also, friends, if you want to watch the Hindi Urdu versions of these readings, they are on my other channel, Magic Vents Tarot, Hindi Urdu. And I've also done pick a card readings for September. Make sure to check that out. So let us see, Leos, what is coming for you in the month of September. I'm excited to see what's gonna happen. Let's see, Leos. The month of September. What is the theme of September for Leos? All right. So, Seven of Swords. Okay. Uh, 10 of Cups. So, family is very important for you, friends. Family, emotional relationships are very important. Finding peace, finding contentment, harmony, all those things are very, very, very important for you. Because you know why this is important in the month of September? Because right now you are dealing with a lot of politics, a lot of problems at your work, or maybe in your love life also, or with friends. There is a lot of chatter around you, Leos. So uh, I don't know how to tell you this thing, but yeah, there are certain issues. There is a lot of gossip. There is a lot of chatter around you, and I think you are tired of fake people. You don't want anything fake in the month of September, Leos, and that's exactly something real is coming your way. Deep fulfillment, deep harmony, some real true love, some real true amazing friendships, and peace within yourself is coming. Relationships with family, with co-workers, with friends, all these things are very, very important. Some of you may also go on a holiday this month, and that will change your really be a very good experience for you, friends. The Five of Swords, friends. I don't know what's happening with you, Leos, but you feel a little empty or you feel a little tired in the month of September, like a little drained, because I do feel there is certain stress in this month, friends. I will be honest here. You may feel like you don't really understand where things are going, or at work I feel there are things are really stressed out. Things are really stressed out. I'll be honest here, friends, Leos. Things are a little stressed out in your work, but I think you will be able to manage it well, Leos, because you have the understanding. You're very powerful, friends, and let's clarify what is this about. What is this about? Yeah, some powerful changes are coming. Some powerful, unexpected changes are gonna come your way, Leos, and all right. And I do feel like some of you may actually, leave a job just because you want to do something that is your passion. You are tired of this game, this competition. Some of you may actually start following your passion this month because you are tired, friends. You're really tired of this fakeness, this fake game. Some of you may, I don't know. It feels like some of you may actually go on a pilgrimage. A retreat, a yoga center, a therapy center. I don't know what's happening, but like some of you are like, let's take a break, let's go on a holiday, let's do something zen. You know what I mean? Let's do something therapeutic. Your passions, really, some of you really want to follow your passion, whatever it is. Maybe you want to be a CEO of your company, maybe you want to dance, you want to just paint. You don't want this politics, you don't want this fakeness. Everything fake is gonna be getting out of your life on its own or by your choice. So Leos, it's a big month, trust me. Unexpected changes are coming, so be careful. Let's see, Leos, your love life. All right, the 10 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups, 6 of Cups, and it's a 3 of Swords. Leos, their love life. Okay, I'll pull the cards and then I'll talk, friends. Okay. I feel you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. Also, I feel, friends, this month anybody fake will really get you angry. Politics might get you very angry. If people are gossiping, you will get very angry. So, somewhere you need to manage your anger because that's what is necessary. Mars will be in Libra, so that will make you more communicative. And you might say to people, like, hey, that's not done. You just can't do that, or you might get upset or angry with them, Leo. So try and control your anger this month. It's very necessary, and it came as a very urgent message, so I had to tell you. All right, I feel some of you are feeling a little sad when you start the month of September, friends, in your love life. I do feel some of you are going through some tough times in your relationships, or there is hurt and pain. Some of you may be silently crying within you. I don't know why, Leos, but that's happening for some of you, or your person is silently crying about you, but they are not telling you this thing. I do feel someone is really missing you, Leos, and they really want you back. They feel like you are the one, and there is a lot of love and longing here. If you're already in a relationship or you are married, I do feel there might be some hurt and pain. Like there are burdens that you and your partner or husband or wife are not talking about in the first week of September. There is some hurt, some pain that is being not discussed, but it is there. It is like a wound that is there, but nobody wanna talk about it. Yes, for Four of Cups, I do feel that you will try to focus more on your work. You are trying to forget the pain. Your partner may also be doing that. Like, let's take, they are also focusing on their work. They are also not messaging you, trying to understand. I also feel in the first week of September, family is very important to you. So, taking time to connect with your family, being there for your family, meeting your family, all those things will be very important. And also, in the first week of September, your love life is affected by family, friends. Like some of you may be hurt because your family is not saying yes, or your partner's family is not saying yes. So that is also happening. Family affecting your love life. In the second week of September, I do feel that communication blocks will open up, emotional blocks will open up, and an Aquarius, Libra, or a fire Aries, Leo, Sag person is important for you, friends. I do feel, friends, in this month, in the second week, the communications will start to flow, and your partner will definitely more open to communicate with you, share their ideas, their hurt, their pain, or your hurt and pain with them. So there is mutual sharing, loving, caring. So this is a better week for you, and yes, breakthroughs are coming for you. Tower moments may happen, like suddenly you meet this person and they like you kiss and make up without knowing, without anything, and it happens. Also, suddenly, if you are single, there is a chance you may meet this person out of the blue, this new lover, and you may meet them online through social media, and you'll be like, wow, this could be somebody you know from work, like in the past, in your childhood, you knew this person, you are meeting them again. So that can happen. Let us see what else. So yeah, I do feel that the third week is very important for you, friends, Leo, because there is a chance of a new start happening or manifesting in your love life. Yes, and I do feel that there is mutual attraction, passion in your relationships. Passions are really high, so this is a good chance to expand your family. Or pregnancy rate will be very very high in the third week. Passions are flaming. A lot of communications will also happen in the third week. So there is communication, there is a need to travel, meet each other, spend time with each other, and any actions or efforts you take for love life will be rewarded and will be successful in the third week. So this is a much better week than the first 2 weeks for you. Let us see the final week of September. Wow, in the final week, celebrations are coming. Definitely, you will be celebrating something. Maybe it's your birthday, your partner's birthday, or some sort of an anniversary is coming for you guys. So, there is celebration, there is the energy of happiness. Also, your partner may propose you, or if you were with a crush or with a new person, this is the time, the fourth week, when they might propose you. And look at that, there is harmony, there is love, there is understanding in the final week. And yes, you could also be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus in the final week. I do feel that your partner sees you like this beautiful, person. Like they see you, that you are somebody who really motivates them, who inspires them to be amazing person. So there is this energy, like they see you as this gorgeous thing, gorgeous person, and they are very proud to have you. And yes, your partner will be out of some conditioning, some past fears, some past blocks are lifted from your love life. So, this is an amazing energy, Leo. So, let us see some advice for you. It is like an up and down kind of a month for you, Leos. Things go up, then they go down, then they go up, then they come down. So you cannot do anything much here, but I think it's a good month for you actually, because a month of peace. Oh, base chakra. So, yeah, jealousy. You're very jealous, You're very possessive. There is a lot of sexual chemistry also. Not just sexual chemistry, there is also love, intense attraction between you and other people this month. So, you might feel jealous if your person talks to somebody else, or your person might feel jealous, or inferiority complexes might happen this month. But then you can recover from it, friends. Definitely positive movement forward, keep moving forward, you know keep moving forward. Also, then if you are single, there is a definite attraction that's coming your way, a new person. Sacral chakra, oh my god, your relationships are highlighted. There is a chance of a new birth, a baby, especially if you are married, even if you are not married, so stay careful. uh, yeah, you have to think a little creatively when it comes to your love life, Leos, because try not to be too angry, try not to be jealous, or try not to behave in these ways. Or if your partner is behaving like this, don't take it seriously. Try to laugh it off, try to be creative in love, because that's gonna really move and push your relationships ahead. So, let us see your work and career now in September. See, you're very busy. That's what I was saying here also, that you're really busy, friends. Leadership role, some of you might have to, your boss might be absent, so you are taking your boss's work, or you are in charge at your work, there is nobody else, so you are overburdened with responsibilities and with work. And but you will get a reward of it. Like whole month you have to work hard, but then you get a holiday, a paid holiday, and you are like, wow, that's good. Some of you are actually missing holiday this month. I don't know why it keeps coming back again and again. So I do feel, friends, that your mind is a bit your mind is very sharp this month, friends. So your intuition is very sharp. You will be able to pick out who is against you, who is gossiping, who is fake, who is real in your work or career, or even in friendships. I do feel there is a person who is guilty around you. It could be a colleague, a boss, or someone is acting weird, like they are gossiping about you behind your back. But you will be able to pick that person, understand it, and I think they will not be able to affect your work, friends, in the month of September. But your workload is high this month, you have extra responsibilities, your boss may be on leave, or your colleagues might be on leave, and their work will also come to you. Also, if you are a student, I feel you might get a little anxious or worried, because you might feel like that there are last minute changes in the courses, or you find some other exams also and you are preparing for that. So try to really strategize and plan your month, friends. Plan your studies, because otherwise the overwork, overburden can really strain you. I also feel some of you may be starting a new job, a new hobby, and that along with your work, a new business. So you are busy with that, excited about that, but also a little anxious. And I do feel that yes, this new work or this new hobby will feel like, amazing. This will make you feel very happy. This will feel like this is not work, this is vacation. You will really enjoy it. I do feel that a celebration will come in your work and career and finances. You might get a paid holiday, a free trip, or some paid leaves are coming. Some sort of a celebration is definitely coming, but before that there is a lot of hard work, Leo. So if you are free right now, get your sleeps done because you're gonna be busy. And I do see travel might be happening this month. You might have to travel also. Advice, self acceptance. Yeah, you will have to accept yourself. There are certain things, certain people who are not behaving rightly. That's okay. Forgive them. And also love yourself, friends. Try to see. I think you might. Love yourself. Do give yourself a break. Take yourself to a massage. Indulge in yourself, like reiki, yoga. Those kind of things will really help you, Leos. And the Mother, Father, God, you will feel very connected to the spiritual things, to religion, culture, you know nature, environment. All these things are very, very important for you, friends, this month. And compassion. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself. Let us see what else. Leos. Owl, good advice from a wise person. Yeah, there will be somebody who will advise you, or you might have to advise other people, because I told you, you might be acting as a leader, or you might get a leadership role, so you will have to help others. A man is important. Money path, yes, money is coming your way. I do see money at the end of this month, extra loads of money. Well, there is a misunderstanding, yes, that is hurting you probably. Lobster, financial pinch. I think like money is coming in the end of the month, so you might feel like money is not coming in. Sunrise, new ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. Key solutions are coming for you. Rainbow. This thing, the bad part is over, friends. Now only good things will come your way. Older woman, a mother, a boss, or somebody like, a grandparent is important. Sorrow over a lost breath. Yeah, you might be facing some sort of endings. Family sorrow. Yeah, family is very important for you, friends, this month. So that's it, Leos. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. And this is Miss Dixie saying bye bye.